Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rolls at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 packet of active dry yeast, 1 cup of warm water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Ensuring your yeast is active is key. Proof it in the warm water with a pinch of sugar for 5 minutes until foamy. Accurate measurements are crucial for consistent, delicious results. Now, let's mix. In a large bowl, combine your dry ingredients. Gradually add the warm water and melted butter, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Turn the dough onto a lightly floured surface and knead for 8 to 10 minutes. This process develops the gluten, making your rolls wonderfully soft and chewy. You'll know it's ready when it feels smooth and elastic to the touch. After kneading, place the dough in a greased bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for about 1 hour, or until it has doubled in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough to release the air. Divide the dough into 12 equal portions, each weighing approximately 2 ounces. Shape each piece into a smooth, round roll and arrange them on a prepared baking sheet, leaving some space between each. Now for the final rise and bake. Cover your shaped rolls and let them proof again for 20 to 30 minutes. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the rolls for 15 to 20 minutes or until they are beautifully golden brown. A good indicator of doneness is when they sound hollow if you tap the bottom. Serve them warm with butter and enjoy your delicious homemade rolls.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.